Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see that if you want to see the system information and all the details about your system quickly on Windows 11, you can easily do this by using a simple shortcut that I am going to show you right now. So let's get started. So I'll simply go to Start menu and write MS Info here, and simply you can just click on the system information, and here you will get all the information about your system, whether you want to see the system model, your RAM installed, the physical memory, and whatever. So this is pretty straightforward. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.